That's an interesting medal you found. I've never seen that insignia before. I wonder who it belongs to. Or whoever this phantom person is, I'm sad they lost their medal. Your next mission is being delivered now. I hope you're not claustrophobic, Agent. The kinesium you found inside the robot is the same kinesium used in the telekinetic implant in your brain. There's only one location Dr. Prism could be getting that kinesium for her robots. We abandoned our kinesium mines in Pennsylvania when Dr. Prism left the agency. The location was classified even from her, but Zor must have found them. Get to those mines and see if there's evidence Zor and Dr. Prism have been there. Well, this mine looks less abandoned than I anticipated. Zor and Dr. Prism must be getting that kinesium here. Try getting that machinery online. We may be able to learn more about where this kinesium is going. The fingerprint worked. Looks like you need some sort of number code to complete the process.
Supervisor's back early. We're gonna be in so much trouble if we don't load that kinesium.
Sounds like Dr. Prism has a robot in the mines. We still don't know where this kinesium is going, though. Keep that disguise on and see if you can find out.
Hey, Supervisor. Hope you enjoyed your vacation. Well, we're ready to drill whenever you are. Yes, we are ready. And we definitely were not firing our new laser upgrades at cave rodents in the shipping containers.
There's more than one. Well, this is at least double the robots we faced last time. Until we can figure out where Dr. Prism is building these robots, you'll have to play along operating that drill.
Supervisor, remember when you said you couldn't tell us apart because our voices were so darn similar? Darn wasn't the word. It was. Anyway, we came up with an awesome idea. I'm gonna be left robot and I'm left robot. Wait, right robot. It's so good! We won't move around much to keep things consistent. We've got kinesium! Clear the site! I'm en route! I really feel like a secret agent when I say that.
Barring a total collapse of the drill site, Zaraxis requires workers to complete all 32 hours of the shift.
All loaded up, Supervisor. That kinesium has to be cooled so it doesn't destabilize and bring this whole place down. Cooling it is your job.
Attention, mining crew. The involvement of Agent Phoenix back home necessitates production changes. I need all mined kinesium immediately. Whatever you have, get it to the factory. Also, you're all amazing. Be safe in there.
Shipping crate is loaded. I'm gonna drive this kinesium over to the factory in the truck. See you around, left robot. See you back at the factory, right robot. Have fun driving the truck.
Well done. I'll find out where the truck is going, but I think it's time we shut down this operation. Find a way to destroy these mines permanently.
I never get to drive the truck. I'm feeling pretty bummed. Maybe drilling more kinesium will help. You're getting better at this. Left robot en route. Oh, I guess I'm not left robot anymore. Just left all alone robot. No offense. Kinesium is all loaded up. Hey, how far do you think it is? Oh, hey, I think you have it wrong. That's going to get the Kinesium up. You don't want to do that. That lava is used for geothermal. Don't do that! A Kinesium is the worst! Undo it! Undo it! This is what I was talking about! It's going to... This is what the training videos warned us about! Dr. Prism, come in! The supervisor used lava in a way one should never use lava!
Agent! Can you hear me? Agent! Thank goodness. We can safely say you shut things down, but the destabilized Kinesium interacted with the implant in your head somehow. We need to leave now.
What's going on? Of course. Phoenix! Of course you would eat Kinesium like that. Unlike you, my robots actually listen. However, there are still a few tricks you could teach my robots about being an agent. And I just so happen to have one friend left out there.
Hey, Agent Phoenix! Time to avoid rust. I'll see you soon, Black Robot.
Your techniques, while unorthodox, are incredibly effective. I'll admit, I underestimated you. It's too bad that line is gonna collapse and crush your clever little head.
Emergency power initiated. You may now operate the elevator.
Well, we can add a giant mining drill to the ever-expanding list of things I didn't worry about until I met you. Never a dull moment with us. Have I see you back in base. It seems Dr. Prism's robots now have capabilities rivaling your own, Agent. And I imagine she'll continue to improve them until they can finally kill you. Speaking of dying, the blackout you experienced reminds me of something. I'll look into it and get back to you.